Okay, so example of addition of dissimilar fractions. So the LCD of 2, 6, 9, and 3 is 18. Okay, so 18 divided by 2, 9. 9 times 7, 63. Okay, so next is 18 divided 6 is 3. 3 times 1 is 3. Next is 18 divided 9 is 2. 2 times 5 is 10. 18 divided 3 is 6 times 7, 42. Okay, so 63 minus 3 is 60 minus 10, 50 plus 42, 92. So your answer now is 92 over 18. But 92 over 18, you can still reduce that. So by 2 is 46 over 9. Okay, so 46 over 9, or how many group of 9 are there in 46? Equal to 5. The remainder is 1 over 9. So this is now the answer for number 12. Okay, so next is 6x. So the LCD of 2x, 2x, and 3x is 6x. So we change the fractions to similar fractions having the same denominator. So 6x divided by x is equal to 6 times 3, 18. 6x divided by 2x, so 6x divided by 2x is 3 times 5, so 15. Then 6x divided by 3, 3x is equal to 2 times 11, 22. Okay, so you copy the same denominator 6x, then 18 plus 15 is 33, minus 22 is 11. So this is now the sum of 3 over x plus 5 over 2x minus 11 over 3x. Number 7, 20y divided by 20y divided by 4y is equal to 5 times 5 is 25. Next, 20y divided by 5y is equal to 4 times 3 equal to 12. 20y divided y is 20 times 6, 120. Okay, so this one is negative 12 and negative 120. Negative 120 plus 12, negative 132. 132 minus 25 is 107. So negative 107. All over 20y. Okay, so number 15. So the LCD of 4 and 3 is 12. So 12 divided by 4 is 3. 3 times a plus b. Then 12 divided by 3 is 4. 4 times a minus B. Okay, so this is now equal to, apply na distributive property in the numerator. So copy the same denominator, that is equal to 12. Next is 3 times A is 3A. 3 times B is 3B. Then negative 4 times A is negative 4A. So you will consider this now as the sign of 4. So negative 4 times negative B is positive 4B. Okay, so you combine now, that is equal to, copy the same denominator 12. Combining like terms, 3A minus 4A is negative A. Negative A, and then 3B plus 4B is negative 7B, positive 7B. Okay, so this is now your answer. Negative A plus 7B over 12. Or you can also rewrite that as 7B minus A over 12. Okay, number 9. The LCD of 3 and 5 is 15. So 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5. Okay, 5 multiplied to 2x plus 3y. Okay, so plus. So 15 divided by 5 is 3. So 3 times 3x minus 2y. Okay, so apply distributive property. 5 times 2x, so 10x. 5 times 3y equal to 15y. All over 15. Okay, so plus 15 divide 15, or no, 15 divided by 5 is 3 times 3x minus 2y. So this one, apply distributive property. 3 times 3x is 9x. 3 times negative 2y is negative 6y. Okay, so you can now add. Copy the same denominator 15. Now 10x plus 9x is equal to 19x. Then 15y minus 6y is equal to 9y. Okay, so this is now your final answer. 19x plus 9y over 15. Number 17. So the LCD of 2a and 5a is 10a. So 10a. So 10a divided by 2a is equal to 5. So 5 times, you distribute the 5 to 5a minus 10b plus 3. So 5a minus 10b plus 3. Okay, so minus, so the LCD is 10a divided by 5a is equal to 2. So 2 times a plus b. Okay, so this is now equal to 5 times 5a, 25a. 5 times negative 10b is negative 50b. Then 5 times 3 is 15 over 10a. Okay, so since the denominator are equal now, just copy the same denominator. Okay, and then continue this one, negative 2. So you will consider this sign now as sign of the 2. So it becomes negative 2 times a, negative 2a, then negative 2 times b is negative 2b. Then combining like terms, so 25a minus 2a is equal to 23a. Then negative 50b plus negative 2b is negative 52b. Then plus 15. Okay, over the same denominator, 10a over 10a. So this is now our final answer. Number 11. So the LCD is 14k for 2k and 7k. 14k divided by 2k is equal to 7. So this 7 now, you will distribute this to k minus 4h plus 2. K minus 4h plus 2. Then 14k divided by 7k is 2. So you will distribute the 2 also to 4k plus 3h minus 1. Plus 3h minus 1. Okay, so copy the same denominator, that is equal to 14k. 14k divided by 14k is equal to, just distribute this now. 7 times k is 7k. 7 times 4h equal to 28h, so minus 28h. Then 7 times 2 is equal to 14. Next is 2 times 4k is 8k. Next is 2 times 3h is 6h. Then 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. Okay, so our answer now is no space. I will just write it here. 7k combined with 8k. So adding similar terms in the numerator, or or like terms, so that is 15k. Next is 20h negative plus 6h is negative 22h, negative 22h. Then 14 minus 2 is 12, so plus 12 over the same denominator, 14k. So this is now our final answer. Okay, so for number 19, 2m squared divided by 2m is equal to 1 times 3m minus 2. So 3m minus 2. Next is 2m squared divided by 2 is equal to m squared times 7. So 7m squared. 2m squared divided by 2m is equal to m. So m times m minus 3. Okay, so this is now equal to, copy the same denominator, so 2m squared. 3m minus 2 plus 7m squared, then plus m squared. So m times m is m squared. We apply distributive property here. Then m times negative 3 is negative 3m. Okay, so what will be our final answer? So our final answer now is, copy the same denominator, 2m squared. So you write first the degree 2. So 7m squared plus m squared is 8m squared. So descending powers of m. Next is 3m minus 3m is equal to 0. No need for us to write 0m. So next is minus 2. So minus 2. So now we can cancel 2. Okay, so we factor out the GCF 2. So if we bring out the GCF 2, then 8m squared becomes 4m. The remaining is 4m squared. 4m squared, then we already factor out 2, so minus 1. Minus 1 over 2m squared. So we cancel 2. Cancel the 2. So the final answer now is 4m squared minus 1 over m squared. So number 19, the LCD is 6n squared. So 6n squared divided by n squared is 6. 6 times, so you need to apply distributive here, n minus 3. 6n squared divided by 3n squared is equal to 2 times 2n plus 5. Okay, 6n squared divided by 6 is n squared. N squared times 5n. So you copy the same denominator because the denominator are all equal to 6n squared. So just copy the same denominator and subtract or add, simplify the numerator. So apply here distributive property.